Hannah, that should be your intro.
Yeah, just your eyebrows.
Do, 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 do.
Oh my
Hey everybody, welcome to this edition of COE News. I'm Jao.
And I'm Hannah.
And I'm Victoria, and it's co-time.
Welcome to the College of Engineering. We're thrilled that you're here.
Well, not here, like as in campus here, but like maybe like my house, your house party, whatnot.
No, but, okay, fine. How's this? We are thrilled that you're tuning in.
Like, it works. I'll do for now.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I think they get the point. Move it along, folks.
Right. For those of you who are new to COE News, we'll be highlighting upcoming events, workshops, and deadlines within the newsletter. But not only that, we'll also have some tips and bits that you might find intriguing. Anyway, this episode is sponsored by Beach Scholarships.
No, we're not sponsored by anyone.
No, okay. Anyways, if you're interested in applying for scholarships this semester, head to csulb.edu/beach scholarships. The deadline for all applications is September 30th.
Last but not least, if you would like to utilize services provided by the Bob Murphy Access Center, including testing accommodations, be sure to head to the BMAC's website as soon as possible for instructions on how to submit a new student application and supporting documentation. If you need assistance with this, please reach out to the first year experience coordinator, Marina Crawford, at marina.crawford@csulb.edu. Now it's time for Shop Talk.
Yes, it's Shop Talk for all your workshop needs. We are back. For most of us, this is our first time taking online courses, and we are just realizing how different they are to traditional in-person courses. So if you need some tips, we are holding a How to Be Successful in Online Courses Zoom workshop Thursday, September 10th from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Be sure to keep an eye out on your email for more information.
And the engineering job and internship fair is happening this month on September 23rd. So you're going to have your resume ready to go sooner rather than later. Thankfully, the Office of Professional Development and Internships and the First Year Experience Office are teaming up to bring you a Resume 101 workshop that will take place on Wednesday, September 9th from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. The Zoom information will be provided via your student email.
Also, the Office of Professional Development and Internships and the First Year Experience Office will both be hosting workshops to help you prepare for the Engineering Job and Internship Fair. These workshops focus on time management, resume writing, interview skills, and how to search for internships. Again, just keep an eye out on your email address for more information.
If you are a part of our engineering veterans and active military community, there are 2 events we hope you'll participate in. The first is an information session on USC's Master of Business for Veterans program, which will take place on Friday, September 18th from 12 to 2 p.m. The second is an information session on the opportunities available at Northrop Grumman, which will take place on Monday, September 29th from 1 to 3 p.m. You should have already received RSVP links for both of these events. If you have not, please contact Marina Crawford.
Hopefully you were able to be part of Week of Welcome. If not, ASI will be hosting cultural welcomes from September 9th to September 15th. It is an event that offers students opportunities to connect with their cultural communities. Please head over to asiCSULB.org for more information about their calendar.
And that's all we have for this edition of COE News. We would love to hear from you, so head over to our Beach Sync page, COE First Year Experience. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Stay tuned for our next episode. In the meantime, I'm Jao.
I'm Victoria.
And I'm Hannah. Don't forget
To mute yourself during lecture.